Hi, welcome back to another video. This is Ning. So a lot of people see my makeup photos and they ask, who is that person in the photo? I say, that's me. That's the magic of makeup. So today, I want to put the makeup only on half of my face so that you can directly see the difference. To me, the beauty comes from inside the heart, not from external looks. It doesn't matter if you wear tons of makeup or not, you are still the same person. What matters is the confidence and the being proud of the way you look, and the not caring about people's criticism or what they say about you. So remember guys, whether you have makeup or no makeup, you are still the same person inside.